How to use Judge Me in Shopify. Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can use Judge Me for your Shopify shop. We are currently in our Shopify store at shopify.com, and we're going to look on the left side, and then we're going to click on Online Store for now, and we're going to click on our theme, and then we're going to click on this three dots over here to preview our current website. Now, as you can see, this is what our current shop looks like, and we can click on the catalog, and then we can see this is where our products would be seen. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a temporary product that we could add over here so that later on we can see how Judge Me would work. Now, we're going to go back to Shopify, and then we're going to click on the products option over here, and then we're going to click on add your product. Now over here, we will be able to add our product information. For the title, I'm going to make a simple information such as t-shirt. Then you can add a description. You could change the product status. I'm going to add a random media. I'm going to add a random media. Going to use this image over here. Just like that. You could add the pricing. We're going to add it for 50 for now. Then cost per item 50. We could check the inventory tracking. We could add how many stocks we have. We could have the option to continue selling even if we have no more stock. We could have the SKU barcode, yada yada yada. We could add the shipping fee, add many more. Let's see if we can save it. And just like that, we have created our sample product, and we can see our product over here. Now, if we go over into our preview right now, we can reload this, and now we can see our product over here. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go down here, and as you see here on the bottom, we can see we have the apps option. We're going to click on add apps, and then as you can see over here, we already have the Judge Me being shown on the top list. But if you don't see Judge Me on your list over here, we're simply going to scroll down, and then we're going to click on Shopify App Store. Now we are redirected to the App Store over here, where we will be able to search for the products that we want to use. And like earlier, we have the Judge Me over here. But if once again it doesn't appear here, we're simply going to search it in the search bar, judgeme.me, like that. And now we can see we have Judge Me option over here. So we're going to click this. And then as we scroll down, we would be able to see information about Judge Me. Judge Me allows unlimited email review requests with photo and video. It displays star ratings, store, and product reviews. There's also share reviews on different social medias. You could synchronize and group product reviews across different products, and you can engage your reviewers with Q&A, coupons, and email marketing integration. As you can see here in the pricing, you would be able to get for free the unlimited product review request. You can have the photos and videos, review carousel themes, in-email reviews, curate reviews, SEO snippets, and manual social push. Now scrolling back up, we're simply going to click on the add options over here, and then this will redirect us to this page where it's going to ask us if we can install this app into our Shopify. We could simply click on the install app button over here, and now we are redirected to this page where we can see the installation for our Judge Me. It's going to ask us where we want to install this Judge Me widget on. If you want it to be installed in an unpublished theme or the current live theme that we are using, which is this theme over here. So we're going to click on next. Now after that, it's going to ask us which widgets that we want to install into our page. We can have the review widgets on the product page, review badge on the product page, or preview badge on the collection page. Now we're simply going to click on install widgets now, or if you don't want some of these, you can simply click on this so you can disable them just like that. But right now I'm going to click on install widgets now, and then we're going to wait for it to finish installing. Now as you can see, Judge Me is now finished. installing, so I'm just going to click on yes, looks great. Now, after installing, we would be able to see the home page of Judge Me, where we can customize review widgets, we could import existing reviews, we could request reviews, or you could click on this option where you would be able to see what else you can do using Judge Me. Now, as we scroll down, we could also see the statistics over here, where we would be able to see the reviews we received, the email sent, Q&A received, and average rating. Now, looking on the left side, we have these options under Judge Me. We have the home options, the manage reviews, request status, email templates, settings, and plan. I'm going to click on the settings for now. As you can see here, we can edit our email info. We can add this, we can change the sender name. We could change the email address. You could add widgets for your email, request timing, and you can change multiple options over here. And just like here, we can request and review product order. We could choose if we want to send reviews for the most expensive one, least expensive one, random, or the least review. You could also set automatic reminders for your customers. Over here on the top, we can click on this different options over here. We can click on the other emails where you would be able to see the code for the email HTML. You could also click on review widgets where we can change the widget colors. If you want to add stars, you could change the judge me medals, the widget media grid, widget review text header, and many more. You could also click over here on the left side. We could edit the widget body, you can edit the widget form. As you can see here over here, you have the widget form. We could see the widget preview by clicking this option. And then this is what Judge Me would look like in our store, but it's not showing up on our preview right now, so we're going to ignore that. But this is how it would look like if it was working properly. You could also check your Judge Me installation over here to make sure that your Judge Me is installed properly. Then you could check the other widgets, social media, rewards, integrations, and advanced. You could also check the email templates by clicking this. And you can change the template that you want to use for your email, such as these options like the currently active one, which is the single view template. You could also have the multi-review email template or the picture first email template. Now, if you want to create your own email template, you can simply click on this top right to see your email template. And that's it, guys. That's how you can install and use Judge Me into your Shopify store. It would usually appear here, but it's not working for me right now. But that's how you can do it. And hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.